More on how camera friendly we are. Star trip and a mini vlog. Let the record show that I wasn't gonna vlog, but this one suggested that I do. So let's see what we could come up with. Stop number 1. Thank you for reminding us to vlog.
She's shy.
Why is she shy? She gets that from me. It is. Here to get my powdered protein. This is the best one I like. And then, I think that's it. Anything else here? That's it? All right. I get to hang out with these beauties today. Aww. Not vegan. Not vegan. Whey. Ooh, chocolate peanut butter. Yes, please. Strawberry, chocolate. I usually get this one. I never get this one. But now, oh my goodness, decisions. When they have a new flavor, I'd get it in this, test it, and if it's good, then I come get the bucket. But they don't have the chocolate peanut butter in the tester. No, just vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. Oh, I'm gonna have to risk it. Look at.
Chocolate peanut butter.
I don't know, should I risk it? What if it tastes like
It's gonna be
cardboard?
It's gonna taste good.
You think so? All right, so
Peanut butter cup style.
that's right. I didn't think about it like that. Peanut butter cup style. Let's go. Hey, hon, I didn't know that they had a statue of you here at Sprouts. Did you see the statue they have of you at Sprouts? The specs, in case you're wondering. Where to next?
Say it, Mom.
Nordstrom track.
All right. Is it a big rack?
So mean, Lynn.
You're such a natural.
Can you zoom in on Lynn?
I don't know if front camera no, I can't. I can go like this though. Oh my gosh. It's so much fun. Anything specific you're looking for here, sweetheart?
No.
No? All right.
Ironing your hair? Yeah.
By the way, your hair looks real pretty.
Lynn, where's she going?
These are pretty cool right here. I don't think the color comes out that good, but these go good. Show the camera. All of those are adorable.
$30 from $100. And they're BOC from $100. That's a steal. Picture.
See how the universe works?
Wow. 79% savings. That's like me. I wish I could do it too. And he's like, well, he's right there. I know that's wrong.
Those are those.
Yay.
What happened?
You see why is my face red?
Yeah, a little bit.
Identity.
Your name's always a topic card.
She's like, wow, that's a good deal. I'm like, I know, right? Shit.
said what? You thought it was 20?
Yeah.
Those shoes are cute. In-N-Out smells so good no matter how full you are or how hungry you are or how not so long ago you had In-N-Out. But it's like, oh, it just hits, makes your mouth water. Does the smell of In-N-Out hit the macros?
The smell?
Yes. Can you scan it with the chronometer? Come here. You've been waiting for me all this time? Aw, you found your ball? What'd you do while I was gone? Play football? Aww. Hide the pencil. Hide the pencil. Hide the pencil. Snowflake. Boo boo. Aw, the boo boo boo. Hi, boo boo. Where'd you go? Stretch. Hi, what'd you do while I was gone? Oh, so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Boo boo, where's your ears? Where's your ears? You lost them? Where's your ears? Where's your ears? Where's your ears? The fun doesn't stop. Now I get to fold this laundry. This is gonna be my fancy vlogging tripod. See if it works. See if we can make that happen. My goodness, it's hot in here. Hold on. So, I'm going to maybe we could chat it up while I fold some of these kitchen towels. Looks like it said just towels and some socks, I guess. I don't know. Not much, but I got to do this. Then I'm gonna go shower. No, this, workout, dinner, shower. But our Frontier? Yes, our Frontier internet is out. No good. It's been windy today. It's windy. There's some fires. Stay safe out there, folks that are involved in that situation, that challenge. And our internet went out earlier this afternoon. It was on this morning. And this afternoon I came in and noticed that it was out. Thought it was just, it's never been out since we got it, since we switched from Spectrum to this one. It's been one thou wow all the way through. Today was the very first time, which really struck me odd because it hadn't gone out at all and it's like beasted up speeds. And then it was out. I was like, huh? I thought maybe it got unplugged on accident. So I went to go check because I did change a couple of the plug receptacles in those rooms. I thought maybe in the midst of moving and connecting and adjusting, I might have unplugged it on accident. No, did the whole reboot, did the whole no love, no internet. So I called and got a technician coming out in a couple of days. What I'm hoping is that maybe someone down the street got their internet upgraded and they maybe messed around with the wires or cables or whatever. They'll get the report that the internet is out at this address, and then they'll remember like, oh, hey, bro, we messed up on that cable. Let's go check it and fix it. Hopefully no one notices it. And I'm hoping that by the time I'm done with my workout and dinner, that'll be on, because I'd love to watch a little bit of TV or YouTube or something, you know, just to kind of kick it. You get so used to having connectivity. I mean, not that you can't use your data, but who wants to use up all their data? Anyways, gonna finish up these towels, and looks like I got a couple t-shirts. And then we'll see if we wrap it up there, or we'll vlog a little bit more. Definitely a vibe. A sucky vibe, but definitely a vibe. No internet. All right, so last thing, we're gonna wrap it up here. This is what I did. Let's see, where can I put you so I can, whoa. Where can I put you so I can finish this up? I guess I'll talk here. No, I'll go like this. All right, so this is the deal. This is the latest, and this is the wrap it up. Did a few reboots, unplug this, unplug that. I did as much as to unplug it for half hour because it seemed like it was a little warm, but I guess that's normal, whatever. I've never touched it before. The modem or optical box or whatever. I got a ticket, not a ticket, but like a ticket to have the technicians come out day after tomorrow. Day's over today, so whatever. We're done today. I still got to do my work. I haven't worked out because I did this. So I wanted to drive around the neighborhood to see if I saw the Frontier van. At the very least, if I saw him like 4 houses down, I could say, hey, fool, the internet went out at my pad. Can you come check it out? No luck. Went up and down, zigzagged a few streets, went around, even went to the next neighborhood. No dice. Everybody's tucked away at the pad. They ain't working on this. It is hella windy, so I don't know. That probably is something that happened. So no Wi-Fi tonight, no Wi-Fi tomorrow, till the next day early in the morning. But I do have the possibility that they may text me and say a technician's available. He's gonna come do the damn thing. So I'm open for that, crossing my fingers for that. Hopefully that goes down. Other than that, today, to wrap things up, the day anyways, I'm going to right now hit my workout for the evening, my second round, and then have dinner, then take a shower, then chill with Sujell and not watch TV, or, well, we'll probably get on our phones, but definitely not watch TV. And then that's gonna be the day. And then just tomorrow hang out, not doing anything on Wi-Fi here anyways. See you on the next one. So you tried the peanut butter protein. What'd you think?
It tastes like peanut butter milk. No, not peanut butter milk. The Reese's peanut butter. It's because Mom's going like this.
You want to try it?
No. Don't get me on camera because I can't.
Sorry.
Damn.
All right, so I'm gonna try this.
Reese's peanut butter, like cereal, the little circles.
Yeah, the Reese's peanut butter, the milk at the end, that's what it tastes like? We'll see about that. I'm critical when it comes to peanut butter stuff. I love peanut butter. Never had it before. Sprouts protein. At the beginning of the video, we saw me grabbing it at Sprouts. So this is the next day here having my breakfast.
He's gonna put a red box over.
Oh, I hope so. So rude.
That's good. You're right. It's exactly like if you were to have Reese's Pieces cereal and the milk at the end. Flat out.